Hi, I'm Eddie. I am the branch manager of the beautiful Carmel Valley Branch Library. We have makerspace fairs on the last Saturday of every month down at our library where we do hands-on exploration of science and art, and it's a lot of fun. At the makerspace fairs, one of the things we do is play around with engineering, and we use paper tubes like this and a stack of books. And we're going to do an experiment to show the strength of cylinders and columns. You want to make sure though that your cylinder and your column here is not damaged like this because it won't work. So we get rid of that. So we're going to start with the short tube first. Circle one end, circle the other, got a nice level surface. So we're going to set it right there. Now we're going to try to move these books on top of here. So what do you think is going to happen? These are pretty heavy books, and this is just a cardboard tube. Count with me, and let's find out. 1. We're making sure the books are centered and balanced. 2. 3. 4. 5. We have 5 books on this little paper tube. How does that work? Okay, we tried it with the short tube. Let's try it with the long tube. Remember, we need good edges on both sides of the tube, and it's hollow. We're going to put it right here. We've got our stack of heavy books. We've got 5 of them, so let's count and see how we do. With the longer tube, it's a little bit more tricky, so we have to be a little extra careful and go a little extra slow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, I did it! So we can see the power of the cylinders and columns through this experiment. But how does it work? That would be telling. I'm giving you a homework assignment. You need to go online to the library's databases and look it up. Look under the search word column or cylinder, and I'll give you a hint. Think about ancient Rome and ancient Greek. They used columns in their structures. Some of those buildings are hundreds of years old and they're still standing today. That's part 1. Part 2 of your homework assignment is look around your house, and when you go out on a walk, look to see if you can find cylinders and columns today. They're still in use if you look for them. Thank you for watching my video about the strength and power of columns and cylinders. You know, it's just a cardboard tube. I can crush this. Or maybe I can't. I don't think I can. Maybe you can, but I can't. See you later.